Uh, what does so many people do not know about human psychology? Okay, I have an answer for this one. Okay, it's a question that has been asked, and I have an answer for it. About 10 points. So, a person's attitude towards life is influenced by the environments in which they grew up. Okay, your thoughts are shaped by your upbringing, culture, and societal expectations. Humans have a tendency of trying to simplify complex situations into simple concepts. Our mind's capacity for self-awareness is both a strength and a weakness when it comes to solving problems. We are often irrational when making decisions, but this doesn't mean we are illogical creatures. Nonverbal communication accounts for for more than 70% of how we communicate with each other. Self-perception is formed through interactions with our environment, including family, peers, and media messages. Everyone has implicit biases that influence their beliefs and behaviors, regardless of how aware they are of them or not. Fear can be a powerful motivator as well as an inhibitor of personal growth, depending on how it is managed and directed. Emotions play a significant role in decision-making process more than many people realize or acknowledge. Thank you very much.